Question says consider the three circles S1, S2 and S3 as follows and find the radius of the circle which bisects the circumferences of the circle S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0 and S3 is equal to 0. So let us suppose this is one big circle S which bisects these smaller circles S1, S2 and S3. Now it bisects in the bisects will mean that it will divide the circumference of these three circles into half. So the common chord of the big circle S and S1, S2 and S3 will be the diameters of these three circles, right? So this common chord will be the diameter of these three circles. So now using this information, let us find out the radius of circle S. Alright, so this is circle S. First we will find out the equation of common chord of big circle S and S1. So equation of common chord will be S minus S1 is equal to 0. Before that, to find the equation of the common chord, we will need the equation of the big circle S. We will also have to write that. So we can write it as x square plus y square. This is going to be just the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of any circle. You can take it in this way. Also we will have to find out the centers of the three circles because it will lie on the diameter of each of the three, right? So this will be C1, this will be C2 and this is C3, right? So we know the formula to find the center, which is minus g comma minus f, right? The coordinates of C1 are minus 1 comma 0, C2 coordinates are 0 comma 0 and C3 coordinates are 0 comma minus 1. So this is the information we will need. Now let us find the first common chord equation. So S minus S1 is equal to 0. Now S is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square and x square will get cancelled. Then y square and y square will get cancelled. Plus 2gx minus 2x plus 2fy plus c plus 3 is equal to 0. Alright, now we have also found out the center of S1. So we can substitute that in this equation. C1 is minus 1 comma 0. So substitute in the value of x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2fy 0 plus c plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 2g plus 2 plus c plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So we get c minus 2g is equal to minus 5. So let this equation be our first equation. Now let us find S minus S2, common chord of S and S2. So that will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus, what is the equation of S2? The equation of S2 is x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square and x square will get cancelled, y square and y square will get cancelled. 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is we can substitute the coordinates of C2 in this equation. C2 is 0, 0. So this will be C plus 1 is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 1. This is our second information. Now we can substitute this in our first equation and find the value of G as well. That will be C minus 2G is equal to minus 5. So this is minus 1 minus 2G is equal to minus 5. So bring 5 this side. 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 2G. G is equal to 2. Okay. So we got C is equal to minus 1 and G is equal to 2. Alright. Now let us similarly find for the common chord of the big circle and S3. So S minus S3 is equal to 0. Now substitute the coordinates of C3. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is minus 2f plus c plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. We also know c, which is equal to minus 1. Right? So 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 2f is equal to minus 4. So f is equal to 2. So now we got all the three informations needed to find the radius of the big circle S. So radius of S is root of g square plus f square minus c. Using this formula we can find root of g is 2, 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. That is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So the radius of the big circle S is equal to 3, which bisects S1, S2 and S3.